welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to make this pretty clip organizer, clip holder you can say, where you can put clip easily of your daughters inside it and hang it. It's very easy to make. This is a very easy way to organize your daughter's clips and keep it sorted in a nice way. Otherwise, I know it's very difficult to organize all the accessories you have of your daughters, like hairbands, clips, and put them into the drawer. And my earlier video was about the hairband holder, so this is about clip holder. So it's very easy to make. You just need very basic materials to make it. You can find it in any art and craft shop like cardboard, foam sheets, ribbons, and that's it. And let's get started.
Now take a cardboard sheet and make a cloud shape on it. So I have already cut a cutout for this. So when you're making a cloud shape, make sure that between this, below this cloud, you leave some space to write the name of your kit onto it. So I have chosen 4 centimeter space over here. This is 4 centimeter. So that you can write name onto it. So just drawing the shape of this. Cut this sheet, this cardboard sheet, as you can see, and I have marked 4 centimeter over here also. So this was the thing which I took. Now we will be cutting the glitter sheet, but we have to cut glitter sheet 4 centimeter above from here. So we need to mark it. So what I'll do, I will cut this according to the shape of the cloud which will come on this foam sheet. So I will cut this 4 centimeter mark first. And I will just take the cloud because we need the base more bigger. So I have cut this out, and now the smaller cloud is left, only the cloud is left, which we need to cut the shape on this. Okay, so I will be cutting the shape. So what I'll do, take it in reverse form. So just draw the shape and cut it. So I have cut this now. Now what we will do, so this all is like this. So take this from this side. Okay, and down for this thing, 4 centimeter, we will cut another sheet, and here I am taking this dark foam sheet to match it here. Okay, so to match it here, I will take this dark glitter foam sheet. I will cut it again for 4 centimeter width. Just mark 4 centimeter and cut it off the shape. have cut off the length of the scale. So this is the scale. So I have cut off this length, these laces, and these laces you need to cut some extra from here so that you can stick it here. Okay, so this is how I have done it. So this is almost 31 centimeter till here is 31 centimeter. So just some thick laces I've taken for bigger clips and some thin laces for the smaller clips. So this is how I have placed it. So this is the basic framework, if you can see. And now I will be sticking it with the help of the glue. First we will stick these laces. Okay, so this also. So this I need to stick it here. So I will just remove this sticker thing from the back like this, and I will stick it. Need to be very careful while sticking so that the edges match. It should not look like a mismatch. Yes, so I'm done with this. Now I will do this thing. Sticker thing comes out. This sticker thing is really easy to stick and there is no hassle. It's easy to use, so I always prefer these sticking glitter sheets. Okay, and just smash the edges and we are done. Okay, so now I have got these drop shapes and this thing, bow shape, which I have cut from the paper. So I will be cutting bow shape from this one over here, and then drop shape I will be cutting from this one, and I will stick onto the edges of these laces. So this is because if I hang it like this will just go here and there like this. So just to have little weight over here is always good, so that it is straight. It comes straight like this with little weight over here. So this is the reason, and also it's a cloud, so it will look good if some droplets are there on the downside. So this is why I'm using this. So I'm just cutting the shape. So this is a left out sheet I'm cutting the shape from. Okay, so I'm ready with these cutouts. I have cut this extra circle also to put it here as cheek of a cloud. So this is the bow I will stick here in these cheeks, and I will make two eyes over here, two little cute eyes, and these are the droplets which I will stick on the edge now. So let's do it. So I have cut this paper. These are some paper eyelid that I have cut, and I will be sticking it here like this. So with the help of a glue. So I'm just using glue to stick this paper. This is a plastic which I will be sticking it here and here. Like this. Eyelids that I've done, these look very pretty, and so I'm done with this. So now I'm almost done with this, and now I will be sticking some name onto this of my daughter. Her name is Shreya. You can choose anything, I mean whatever you like. You can even write initials of a name, or you can decorate it with a favorite cartoon character, anything which you like. So I am just writing it Shreya, which is her nickname, SHR. You can even paint it if you want, so it's up to you how you do it. It looks, and this is how the droplets look onto this. And here we will be hanging our clips. So now at the back we need to hang this. So I have marked in between this, like this should be on the center. Then according to each this we will stick this. Enjoyed my tutorial, and you will be able to make it. And if you do try this, please try to send me the picture in the comment or on my email ID. I would love to see that. And happy making it, and don't forget to subscribe on my channel. Thank you.